Steps on creating a course category. In your learning management system, go to the site administration. Then find the word courses. So under the courses, you will find the manage courses and categories. So all you have to do is to click that given words. So as you can see, the following are the course categories I created in my learning management system. For you to create a new category, all you have to do is to click the Create New Category button. After that, as you can see, in parent category, make sure that you choose the word top so that your category will be on the same level of the category you already created. So, let us type the category name I want to input in my learning management system. After that, all you have to do is to click Create Category, and voila! Your category is already created.